Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, customer came in with an '03 Grand Cherokee. I don't know what motor it is. It's got 210,000 miles on it. And the customer said when they put the car in park, it rolls. So they went to another shop. The other shop said, your parking pole is broken. That's why it won't stay in park. We're going to have to tear it down to find out what's wrong or replace the transmission. Okay. She didn't like the story they were telling her. So she brought it to us. This is a clean Jeep for the mileage, I must say. This thing's spotless. So what is a parking pole? Well, on the output shaft of the transmission, or whatever the output is, there's cogs. You know, it's like a big notched gear, so to speak. The parking pole is usually a spring-loaded piece that will engage and lock into those notches. So when you're rolling, if you were to throw your car into park, you'd hear brrrr until it reached a certain slow enough speed for that spring-loaded piece to engage a cog. And then once it did that, it would lock, and it would lock and hold the vehicle. The reason it's spring-loaded is so in case you accidentally throw it in park while you're driving, it doesn't just, shear everything into pieces. So it's done like that on purpose. Could you eventually break it? Sure, absolutely. I've never seen it happen, but I'm sure you probably could. So I just came out to it. All I did was start it, and I figured, okay, this is going to be a good one for a video. So let's see what's actually going on. It does have a check engine light too. I don't know why. I wonder if I could do the key cycle on this one. I believe I should be able to. Let's see what the code might be. Alright, so I actually have it running. Okay, on, off, on, off, on. PO 122. And done. I'm not sure off the top of my head what a PO 122 is. I'd have to look it up. But here, the car is in park, the Jeep is in park. All I did was take my foot off the brake. And as you see, it's rolling. It's in park, and it's just rolling away. Oh, and now it's just engaged. Okay. I'm going to tell you right now, there's nothing wrong with the parking pole. The shifter is not adjusted correctly. Hear it? Yeah, I got a funny feeling. The shifter itself, because I'm just manipulating the shifter. You hear that brrr? But it doesn't feel like the shifter's going fully into park. And it's going into reverse way too soon. Alright, I'm going to put this thing up in the air. I don't want to verify the shifter adjustment from underneath. Now, one thing I want to show you, pulling into the back of the shop here. See, I'm rolling along. There. Now, I didn't break anything. That's just how it is. It's designed to do that. So, let me get this thing in the shop. See, I think this shifter is just out of adjustment. So, I got to pull one car out of the shop. Hang on a minute. So, there's the shift mechanism here, the shift cable. I don't see an adjustment here. Usually adjustment's right here. So, I'm guessing the adjustment's underneath on the console itself. But yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm going to see if there's an adjustment under the console before I go any further. Okay, so with no adjustment underneath, I come here, I took the little cubby off the front of the console, and it's kind of hard to see, but where the cable goes right at the front there, you could just see a bolt. See if I can go sideways a little bit. See it right there? That little bolt, that's the adjustment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up on it, and I'm going to add length to the cable. So I'm going to reach in there with my little 1/4-inch ratchet and try to adjust that. This way I don't have to take the whole console apart. I wound up getting a smaller ratchet on there, and I can actually loosen it that way. So I'm going to loosen it and add length to it. All right, let's back up and see what we got. So we have a little bit of a hill here as I back up. Oh, yep, she goes right into park. I mean, it really took no effort. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the park pole in this. All right, let me just go forward. And like I said, you could throw one of these in park. Like, people think you're going to blow everything apart. You're not going to. See, that's what it'll do. And then it'll gauge. See that? It's not going to hurt anything. So, there's nothing wrong with it. Everything works fine. So, I'm happy with that. Now we just got to see if they want to fix the other stuff that's wrong with it. The exhaust is bent. It's overdue for an oil change. Stuff like that. So, we're going to see what they want to do. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Alright guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.